Buddy, we have to be quiet. I don't know if she's gonna go to sleep. It's almost like nighttime, and this is one of the best days of my life. We actually got a bird. She's trying to scrape this thing. I'm gonna try to put it here so you can see it. Here's the bird. It's really, really fun. See if she'll tweet. No, it's a he. Named it Jack. Well, you can hear it. She got food. A little messy. Got some water. She scrapes this. If she didn't, she couldn't. She had to have. He had to have surgery. We named it Jack. Upload a Slender video. Don't know when, but it's a bird. It's fun having a bird. So, anyways, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.